This is Attorney Mike Grevlin coming to you from Chicago, as usual. And we have a fun one today. It's the much-anticipated Deborah Davis reaction compilation. As you know, sometimes things get pretty weird in Judge Middleton's court.
I had a huge meth vibe yesterday.
And as is fitting, I give you the lovely and gracious Naz to welcome you to Law Talk in Hindi.
नमस्ते, मैं नाज माइक के साथ लॉ टॉक में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ.
Namaste indeed. You're gonna need it. Let's do this. So without further ado, here are my 10 favorite Deborah Davis reactions. And we started off with a bang. Just watched Deborah Davis. As usual, her facial expression reflects exactly what I think the situation.
I got to get people to turn off their Wi-Fi. Howard, turn off your Wi-Fi, please. Howard! Turn off the Wi-Fi.
Yes, that was prosecutor for Oh No, You Didn't. In this next one, we get to see Deborah Davis try to endure a defendant selling Judge Middleton on her educational plans.
And I will be getting a bachelor's in nursing as soon as this is wrapped up.
Have you been admitted yet into the nursing program?
As I just stated, I cannot
Stop.
apply because I don't qualify as of yet to apply
Okay, so
because of this issue.
will you get some sort of a certification as an EMT or paramedic or something from the program you're in?
Well, you get licensed through the state
As what?
if you pass your clinicals.
She's never going to be licensed in any state, as you'll see. This next one is more subtle. Deborah really has a hard time enduring the defense attorney's request for reduction of bond. And it like I said, it's not as pronounced as the other ones, but she does basically lose control of her eyebrows during this.
Hardy is 20 years of age. He's single. He has a girlfriend in the community. He's been working Ken Lincoln's Schoolcraft for approximately 6 years. He's lived in the area most of his life, to the best of my knowledge. He does have a pending charge in the Central District Court. I believe bond has been posted on that matter. I do not believe he's a flight risk.
This next one is fantastic. It's just a defendant making no sense. Deborah cannot take it. In her defense, I was streamed this with Artie from Artie's Corporate Fiction, and we couldn't take it either.
Well, there's this Mr. May who you were giving the money to, and at any rate, do you wish to plead to the illegal entry charge or no?
Okay, I guess. Okay, I just want it to be clarified. Like, am I pleading to illegal entry or not having permission to legally enter by the owner of the house? Is what I'm trying to get clarification on.
They're sort of the same thing.
What would be the difference is what I'm asking. Like, is it a difference between am I pleading to a felony, which would be a class A felony, or a class
No, this is it's a simple misdemeanor, 90 days and or $500.
Once again, Deborah Davis telegraphs my thoughts exactly.
Mouth swabs that are only 46%
Right here.
accurate. Okay, versus my urine that were all negative.
Oscar says hit like and subscribe. Well, and hit the bell notification. Thanks, Oscar. I always forget that.
Here, she's so proud of herself in setting the judge straight on the situation. Just look at her face.
We'll give you a new date and stay in contact with your lawyer, Ms. Yancey, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you.
Are we?
Garage.
Oh, well, I don't know. You've probably been over there. I haven't actually been there before.
Me neither.
In this next bit, the defense attorney, Luke Noffinger, gets really frustrated with his client, and Deborah just really enjoys it.
I turned all of it in that I had because they asked for me to bring all of the documents that I had on the guy to the police station with copies, and I did that.
All right, does anybody have that stuff?
No.
No.
Come on, Luke.
I was supposed to re-enter it in, but I didn't get a chance to do that. To Luke, I was supposed to enter it back into Luke Noffinger, but like with all the stuff going on, I didn't do that.
Trusted, do you want to do this or not?
I mean, I'm confused.
Here, a defendant decides he wants to take up sovereign citizenship, and Deborah's reaction is priceless.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not trying to get out of no cases for just to get out of the case. That's not what's going on here. But I am very considering being a sovereign citizen. Well, I feel like I am a sovereign citizen, and that driving while suspended, if drivers like.
We're going to wait for your attorney to join us here. Thank you, Deborah.
Sure.
Who are you, Mrs. Davis?
Miss Davis is she's from the prosecutor's office.
Okay.
She was in practice here in the county, but this year, 2021, she's joined the prosecutor's staff. So
Cool.
you might have met her before.
Cool. Oh, I mean that's the thing with this defendant. He's out of it. He's got a drug problem, but he's kind of charming and funny.
I might have back in juvenile days.
My juvenile days are well behind me.
Oh, I know. I saw you on YouTube last night.
Yeah,
I was at old folks' home.
You were at a old
That was funny. I was at a friend's house in Sturgis, and I was clicking through YouTube, and you came up. I was like, oh, there's Middleton. I'll go see him soon. What do you know what happened? It did. It really did.
All right. Well, how did you get arrested yesterday?
Well, you knew it had to be number one, and it is. It's Deborah Davis discovering that the perpetrator is next to the victim during a hearing.
You have contact with Sergeant Marsh?
I can try to give him a call.
Yeah, would you please?
Your Honor.
Yes?
Mr. Middleton?
Yes.
Mr.
Who am I
Middleton.
speaking? Yes, who am I speaking with?
Kobe.
Yes?
Your Honor, me and Mary both don't want no contact. I asked that that be dropped. I'm sorry I lied to you. I knew the cops were outside. I don't know why I lied to
Mr.
you.
Harris? My advice is don't say anything else. Take the cigarette out of your mouth. The hearing is adjourned.
Well, there you have it. You asked for it. You got it. Top 10 reactions from Deborah Davis. She's kind of why it's so fun to watch that call. Judge Middleton gets to say all this stuff, but Deborah Davis, as a prosecutor, and that's her role, she has to wait until it's her turn to speak or make her argument. So she has to endure all this crazy, and she just can't hold it in all the time. None of us could. It's really fun. As I do this, I realize there's a cast of characters with the defense attorneys. Luke Noffinger made an appearance here, but there's Miss Yancey, and there's Paul, who makes everybody crazy for some reason. There's Mr. Bush. There's a bunch of them. Maybe I'll do a list for them at some point, but I got to take a break. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.